Hello all and welcome to Wild Crochet. My name is Mary and today I'm going to be talking to you about two big projects that I've been working on these past 12 to 24 months. Has been a while, and for my Facebook friends and family who've waited a long time, the time has arrived. Two things that I've been working on. The first one is craft stores. I have two craft stores up and running. Yay! That's the first project. And one of the craft stores is called Etsy.com, and it's a very popular craft store. It's been around 100,000 million years, which I'm not sure how long, but it's been around a long time. The other craft store is madeit.com.au. That's more of an Australian-based craft store. They're both great stores, so all of my work will be up there at the moment, or most of it anyway. The other project will be, as you can see, YouTube. I've started a YouTube channel. This is correct. For those of you who know me well, because I've been crocheting for so long, I think that it's time that I gave back. A lot of people have taught me a lot of things with the crochet, and I appreciate that. So now it's time to actually give back. So with this channel, I will be doing, I don't know, little projects, beanies, little booties maybe the odd booty, maybe not my signature ones, but maybe the odd booty. You will get the blanket, the odd blanket. You will also get, I don't know, cowls. You will get corner to corner blanket, which is, you know, between you and I is the next one coming up tomorrow morning. Currently I have 5 tutorials on there. I have a how to do a slip knot, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and of course the granny square. I mean, everyone's got a granny square up on YouTube tutorials when it comes to doing crochet. It's basic, and it's one of the first things you learn, I think, during crochet when you first start. Today, however, I'm going to quickly show you some of the items that I have on my stores so you know what to expect, okay? All right, let's start with the baby poncho, newborn poncho. I make them in all sizes, okay? So it's not just this one here. It is made with the granny square. There is no front and back. It's basically made as one whole thing. Used with 100% pure wool, Bendigo Wool and Mills Wool, the luxury brand. Of course, why not have luxury for your baby, huh? Okay, also for baby, your basic beanie. This will be one of my tutorials eventually, probably looking at about 2 or 3 weeks time that I'll be doing a tutorial on the basic beanie. Okay, adding that button gives that basic beanie a fantastic look. That is actually on my craft stores, okay? You also have this little guy. How cute is this? A lot of photographers use this in crops for newborn babies. Okay, this is my own design, but there are many that look similar to this online. This one here is my own. Okay. Women's beanies. You would have seen this beanie worn before by my model and daughter and business manager. She runs everything for me. She's fantastic. She has modelled that one, and she's also modelled the cowl, this cowl, okay, you would see that all over the place. We're talking Facebook, you'll even find it on Pinterest now. I've worked out how to put them on Pinterest, which is great. So they'll be everywhere. The matching cowl and beanie set, okay, that one there, she has worn as well, and I'm quite proud of this cowl. This cowl here was entered in the Melbourne show in 2016 and won a first prize for its category. So I'm quite proud of that one. And of course the matching beanie. And this is all the rage at the moment. Messy bun beanies, and they are exactly what they are. They're a messy bun beanie. Okay, so you put your messy bun in there and no one knows you have a messy bun. How pretty is that? There's that one online. This one here is going up over the next couple of days. And I already have a couple other ones that are already online, but I can't show you all of them. It will take too long a video. And of course, let's not forget, for those of you who know me on Facebook, my mood pillow. My mood pillow. I love these pillows. My favourite item to crochet ever. They do take, this one here takes quite quick to do, but the back, ta-da! The psychedelic side takes a lot longer to do. So this is when Grandma comes over, and this is when your psychedelic friends come over. Grandma, psychedelic friends, Grandma. This is going on forever. Okay, so that's my mood pillow. I'll also be, which I haven't done yet, putting up my matching sets of beanie and scarf. Now this scarf is a scarf which I call a scarf with a twist, because it has a little hole in there, so you can pop your, both sides can be sitting on your neck and not blow away with the wind, yeah? And it also can be worn as a fashion statement like that. Okay, so I call it a scarf with a twist. It's just my way of putting things in. Now, blankets, blankets, blankets. There'll be a lot of blankets online, okay? This one is my favourite. It's a basic granny square. You've got your circle in the middle and you've got your granny square around that circle. But in between the stitches, in between those seam lines right there, they are put together using the old Victorian style stitch. And it's long, it's tedious, but your blanket will never fall apart. You can watch it a gazillion times. Even your moths won't even be able to get into that. Not that you have any moths, I'm just, Okay, and this is your corner to corner blanket. Okay, this is a tutorial that I'll actually put up on YouTube some stage tomorrow or the next day, depending on how long my internet takes. It's been driving me batty lately. So I'll be putting that up on YouTube in the next couple of days. Now, if you like this tutorial and you're on YouTube, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click that little bell button on the right hand side, the bottom part. And if you click that bell button, you will receive all the tutorials I put up on YouTube from now on. Yarn, quickly, just quickly. Bendigo yarn, Bendigo thread, that's cotton. Kilokeetan yarn, some European yarn and American, and also down below we have some acrylics and some lovely cotton as well. This stash took me, I'm not even going to tell you how long it took me to prepare this stash here. I've still got lots hidden away in cupboards, and some of the ones you see in boxes, they're yarns that I've had for a long time and I don't like to leave them out. I just want to keep them locked away and precious, that sort of thing. And also there are some elegant yarn somewhere around as well, some soft satin kind of yarn, and I don't like to leave those out, keep them hidden away in tubs. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and finally I'm here, yay! Ciao!